Open Alight Motion and import your clips, and make sure that iClips has less movement for the best results and better tracking. Export the first frame of the clip as PNG. And open Gemini AI and add the PNG and paste the prompt. You will get the prompt from my Telegram channel, link in description. Make sure you change the letters, which I'm changing. And you have to edit the prompt because this prompt is based on Pennywise characters, so you have to adjust it. Just wait for a few seconds and the AI-generated image will be ready and downloaded. Now open Alight Motion and add the image you just downloaded. Use vector drawing for masking like me. Follow my steps carefully for better masking. If you're facing any problem or want anything in my next video, like a tutorial, editing pack, etc., don't hesitate to comment, just drop the comments and I will try to make a video on it. After masking, and add Gaussian blur effect to the layer and mask it like me.
What if it's me looking down on me? The world above must also be. This could go on for infinity.
Now add a rectangle layer and change its color like me. And place it below the mask layer and export the PNG. And now export the video also. Now open Node Video and import the video. And the PNG, if you don't have Node Video, download it from my Telegram channel. Now to remove the green screen, add chroma key effect to it. Now go to Video and Tracker, add Motion Tracker effect, and place it to the place where you meant to track. You can place it on the nose or other part. I'm going to place it on the forehead and tap on Analyze button. Make sure to place it where there is more contrast. Just wait till it tracks.